What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bearman17. About to take my car to go get that mid delete. Did just get a detail, so I'm gonna give it a quick cold start. I'm gonna pull over real quick, show y'all what the car looking like after getting the detailed, and then I'm heading to the exhaust shop, and then y'all gonna see exactly what they're gonna be doing to my Dodge Charger RT. Here go our cold start. UPS driver looking and shit. But nah, this is the last time y'all gonna hear this. Next time y'all hear this, it's gonna be something crazy on here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with what we set out to do today. So real quick, I'm about to just go over to the spot, and then I'm gonna show you what the car looking like. Just got a detail, and then we're going to get that mid muffler delete, or get that straight pipe on right there where the mid muffler go. Then we're gonna get that resonator delete. But yo, let's get it. But nah, hey, quick walk around. It's clean dab, cleaned in a bit. Y'all see that? Just a quick little, you know, we're just quick with it. This is a quick walk around. So yeah, now we about to head to the auto shop. Again, like I told y'all, got my car detailed right there. So yeah, now we on our way to the auto shop. So I got the mid muffler delete. Y'all tell me how it sounded, man. Tell me if that shit was tough. Downshift on their ass. Downshift again on their ass. Man, I think it sounds great, bro. I love this shit, man. I'm gonna go get a couple revs for y'all so y'all can see what it's like when you revving it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna make another video pretty much going over the breakdown, how much it costed, the total price, everything like that, everything you want to know, the exact mufflers that I got put on, what they did to my rear resonators, everything like that. I'm gonna hook y'all up. But that's gonna be the next video. So if you're still watching at this point here, make sure that you subscribe so you can see the next video is gonna be coming real soon. I think I'm done with upgrades for a little minute now. At this point, I'm really like done with upgrades, because the only thing that's like left to do, bro, is a Z Automotive Taser. Maybe I'll get that for Christmas. I am trying to get a Micro Draco for Christmas, but I don't know. If I don't get the Micro Draco for Christmas, I'm definitely getting the Z Automotive Taser for Christmas. But I think I'm gonna get the Taser before I get like a cold air intake. Because the shop that I went to, bro, showed me some cold air intakes, but they were costing like, what, like $450, $460, $470, excuse the voice crack. And I mean, I wasn't finna drop that today, like, and y'all gonna see why I wasn't about to drop that $400 today whenever y'all see that video of me breaking down the cost and the breakdown and all this shit, bro. But I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I do got the Carvens on, but yeah, finna just, you know, finna just show y'all what the fuck it's looking like, bro. This shit sound crazy. Shit sound crazy. About to get this shit set up so y'all can see it, so y'all can hear it. But yeah, I still got the shit in the trunk, the old mufflers, stuff like that. So I mean, y'all may be able to hear those clanging around back there. We still got to get those taken care of. That will be taken care of soon. But yeah, I'm finna just put my car in park real quick. About to go get this here set up, get a couple revs so y'all can hear it, and then we back to the crib, baby. I should have picked up some food while I was out, but it's all good. I don't need to eat out. I need to do some cardio while I'm playing, but yeah.